Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English Conversation, the official YouTube channel. Our channel will help you all to learn how to speak in English. Develop your listening knowledge by listening the conversation. Today's our conversation is about at the railway station. In this conversation, there are two characters. One, the Jessica, and the another person is Priya. Let's start our conversation. Watch full video, don't skip the video. The two person perform like a characters, Jessica and Priya.
Here, the conversation at the railway station.
Hello, Priya. Why are you here? Jessica. What a surprise. I have come to receive my sister and her children from Delhi. Delhi Express is due to 11 o'clock, isn't it? But today it is late by 2 hours. By the way, what about you here? I have to go up to Bangalore. Some interview, I suppose. You are right. Here comes my train. Best of luck, see you. Convey my regards to your sister and children, see you. Of course. Thank you, see you.
The conversation is over.
The usual conversation in our daily life. The topic of our today's conversation is at the railway station is over. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.